So we will try to solve this numerical problem that is related to singular point. So in the previous lecture, we have find the value of this numerical differential equation which has a ordinary point. So here is singular point. Further, suppose that this is the differential equation that is a 2x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus bracket start x plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Suppose this is the equation. Now here you can say this is basically p naught x that is equal to 2x square, right? Now because no point is given, we assume that it is x equal to 0. So now p0x will be x into 2 into 0, that is 0. So it is, because it is 0, so it means p naught x is equal to 0. So it means basically p naught x equal to 0 means so singular point. Now if the point is singular, then the type of differential equation solution will be like this type of solution we will have. Y is equal to a naught x to the power m, a1 x to the power m plus 1 plus a2 x to the power m plus 2 and so on. Now here you can see that because our requirement is here d square y by dx square, similarly dy by dx, similarly this y we have to put. So same thing we will do here because y we already have. So we will try to find dy by dx, then further d square y by dx square because this differential equation is having these type of parameters. So now dy by dx. So dy by dx will be what? It is a naught x to the power m means m x to the power m minus 1 plus a1 here m plus 1 x to the power m plus a2 then m plus 2 that x m plus 1 and so on, right? In this way plus a3 m because a3 m plus 3 same thing here. So x to the power m plus 2 is left. Now further this dy by dx we have find. Similarly we will try to find d square y by dx square because dy by dx we already know. So again differentiate, it will be a naught, this m minus 1 will be here same m as such, this x minus x to the power m minus 1 will be x to the power m minus 2. Similarly a1 m plus 1 m x to the power m minus 1. So further what will happen? 8 thus a2 term will be like this one, right? A2 as such, right? This one A2 also as such. M plus 2 already we have, so this we will write as such. Then x to the power m plus 1, it will be m plus 1 into x to the power m. So further a3 m plus 3 because x to the power m plus 2, so m plus 2 will be here and further it will be reduced to x to the power m plus 1. So now we have a value of dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So we will try to put all these values or 1, 2, 3 and 3 and 4 in the equation 1. So same thing we are doing. So this will be the relation because this is a type of differential equation. So 2x square as such. Then this is d square y by dx square. So a naught m minus 1 m x to the power m minus 2 plus a1 m plus 1 m x to the power m minus 1 plus a2 m plus 2 m plus 1 x to the power m and so on. So further x as such. So dy by dx that you write here a naught m x to the power m minus 1 plus a1 m plus 1 x to the power m plus a2 m plus 2 x to the power m plus 1 plus a3 m plus 3 x to the power m plus 2 plus dash, right? As because main terms can be there. So minus because minus sign is there, same minus we are having x plus 1 as such. So value y we are writing because y we have. So a naught x to the power m plus a1 x to the power m plus 1 plus a2 x to the power plus 2 plus a3 x to the power m plus 3. Now is equal to 0. Now, this 2x square we can take inside the bracket. What will be left? What will be there? It will be 2a naught, 2a naught, this 2a naught, right? M minus 1 as the power m minus 2 is there, so it will be x square we will take inside, so that will be this x the power m, right? So further a1, that will be 2a1, right, as such, right? This x square we can take inside, that is m plus 1, m as such, right? As the power m minus 1 will be x plus x square plus x square, right? Means plus 2 will be there, right? So m minus 1 plus 2, that is this one. Similarly, this will be 2a2 m plus 2 m plus 1 x the power m plus 2, right? Because x k is there, it will be x the power m plus 2 plus 2a3 plus 2a3 here as such, right? Sk will be added here, right? So term will be x the power m plus 3, and m plus 2 and m plus 3 will be as such. Now this x we can take inside, right? That is a naught x the power m only, right? M as such will be there, right? Plus a1 plus m plus 1, right? X the power, because x is there already there, x the power m already there, so multiply by x, so it will be x the power m plus 1, right? This one. Further you can see here this one, sorry, this one, right? Further it is you can see here this one, a2 m plus 2. So as such we are taking this as such we will taking here, right? It is a2 plus m plus 2, it is x the power m plus 1, so that will be x the power m plus 2. Similarly, this term as a3 will be as such, right? M plus 3, then m plus 2 plus x the power 1 m plus 3 will be there. And similarly now here, one by one this x and 1 we can take inside, minus sign is there, so what is left? Now what is left? Plus, right? This minus x we are taking inside, it will be a naught x the power m plus 1, this minus sign here, so minus a1 x the power m plus 2 minus a2 x the power m plus 3, right? And similarly a3 x the power m plus 3, right? So same this, sorry, this will be minus sign will be there, right? Now further, this minus 1 we can take inside, right? Only this one, this mistake, this is minus, sorry, not plus, because minus we are taking inside, so this should be minus. So minus 1 we are taking inside, it will be a naught x the power m, right? Minus a1 x the power m plus 1 minus a2, similarly minus a3, and so on. Other factors means x the power m will be there, x the power m plus 1 will be as such, x the power m plus 2 will be as such, no change will be there. Now you can see here, if you see the lowest power x we have to take, right? Lowest of power x, it is x the power m plus m, it is x the power m plus 1, it is x the power m plus 2, x the power m plus 3, here also x the power m, x the power m plus 1, x the power m plus 2, right? It is x the power m plus 3, again x the power m plus 1, x the power m plus 2, x the power m plus 3, right? If you compare all these results, right, it is, sorry, it is two mistakes are there. First of all, this is minus sign will be there, and because m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, right? And a3, this one a3, it will be x the power m plus 4, right? So two mistakes are there. This sign will be minus, and x the power will be m plus 4 here. Now this one also, it is x the power m, x the power m plus 1, x the power m plus 2. Similarly, it will be m the power m plus 4, m plus 3, sorry, this is okay. Now if you see all these, here the minimum power of x is x the power m. So we will try to collect all the coefficients related to x the power m, right? What is that? This is all yellow are there. 2a naught m minus 1 m, this one a naught m, because x the power m here also, because no term in this respect, right, related to x the power m plus m, right, here it is there, minus a naught x the power m, right. So all these 1 and 2, this and 3 terms you will be getting, right. Right, same thing we are writing here. So this same I have written here, right. You can see this 2a naught m minus 1, right, as such, plus a naught m minus a naught. So same is we are writing now, because a naught cannot be 0, because y was having this type of solution was having, because y, the solution of differential equation, a naught term is there, so a naught cannot be 0. So a naught, if a naught is equal to 0, it means this factor will be there. That is a 2m square minus m 2m, right? Because this m we can take inside, and this 2 also we can take inside, right? Plus m minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is an integral equation. So or integral equation or characteristic equation, same thing, right? So this, from integral equation we can write 2m square minus, because minus 2m is there, plus m is there, so it will be minus m. So minus this minus 1 will be there, right? If you try to solve the differential equation, this integral equation, right? Because we know the roots, that it will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, right, by 2a, that is the solution of differential equation. So from that we will find that the value of m will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. Now we will try to find, because these roots are not equal. So also you can see here, and difference between these two roots will be not be integer. You can see here that is a not an integer. It means this is, and we will try to see this is 3 by 2, because this is m1, this is m2, right? Same thing we are writing, right? Now if the roots are not integer, then the solution will be y equal to c1, y m plus 1 plus c y, because two roots we have, m is equal to 1 and m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Same thing we are writing here. Now y, value of y we know, right? At the start of article we have written value of y. Same we will take by comparing the coefficient of x to the power m plus 1, right? That is 2a1, right, x to the power 1. Right, this is 2a1, right? For the plus, you can see here, right? Because m1 we have to take, right? So this value you can take also, right? Because as the power m plus 1 we have take, right? This is 2a1 m plus 1, right, as such. So further this equation is there, a1, this one, m plus 1, right? Further, if you see this one, further is this one, minus a naught, and this is okay, this one, minus a1, this one, right? So now, because this is m, it is m plus 1. So similarly, if you take this 2 as such, right, a1 is this, a1 here, a1 here, a1 here, right? All these we can take as outside common, right? This a naught divided to that side. So what we left, 2m, this 2m plus m into m plus 1, the plus m plus 1, this one, right? And then this a1, right? Minus 1, because a1 we are taking common, right? So similarly collecting these terms, right? It will be 2m square plus 3m. If you solve these values, it will be 2m square by 3m, 2m square plus 3m. How? You can see the 2m will be there, and here it will be m only, because this 1 will be cancelled. 2m plus m will be 3m, right? And 2m into m, and 2m square, right? So answer will be 2m square plus 3m multiplied by a1 is equal to a naught. So a1 will be equal to this factor 2m square plus 3m. You can take to denominator, right? 2m square plus 3m, right? So similarly, x to the power m plus 2 we can compare, right? Here it is 1, right? 2a2 m plus 2 m plus 1 here. Further, here also you should compare. It will be a2 m plus 2, this one. Then further, if you see this question, m plus 2 is here, minus a1, right? Minus a1, right? And here a minus a2, minus a2. So combining all these questions, right? A2 we can take, a1 which you can take to this right side, right? Then a2 we have here, a2 we have here, a2 we have here. So they take these a2s as common, right? So it will be, this question will be left, right? Because m plus 2 minus 1, this is m plus 1, right? And solving this one, and this question will be there, right? So what will be left? So this question, if you just try to solve, right? It will be 2m square, right? Plus this so 4m. How it is 4m? Because if you multiply, if you have, okay, this in this we have to multiply this by m first, right? Then 1 first, right? Now, or it will be 2m square, right? 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4, right? Multiply by m, 4m, right? Then 1 we can take the 2m as such, right? 2 into 4 as such, right? Plus m plus 1, because m plus 2 minus 1 will be m plus 1. So simplifying this one, it is 4m, right? 2m also, 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1m, 7m, right? So 2m square plus 7m, right? And 4 plus 1, 5, a2 is equal to a1, right? Further, so in this way we will try to find the value of a2. A2 in this way we can find, right? a1 by 2m square plus 7m plus 5, right? And a1 is a value a1. What is a1? A naught by 2m square by 3m. And the same thing we are putting here, right? The type of solution is y is equal to a naught m the power x the power m, right? That's why we remember that we have put that a naught is not 0, because we have supposed this. So y is equal to a naught x the power m plus a1 x the power m plus 1, and so on. You put on the values of this a1 that we have find here, right? Same value we will try to put here, right? That a1 is equal to a naught 2m square plus 3m, and similarly a2 we will try to put. What is a2? This is a2, right? Same value we will try to put. Now, because we know the value of m is equal to what? 1 and the comma minus 1 by 2, this we do. So y is this y. If you put y m is equal to 1, this is x, y, a naught as such, x the power 1 plus a naught, right? Is it m is equal to 1. So 2 plus 3, 5, m the power x the power m plus 1. M is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, right? So x square plus m is equal to 1, we will put here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, right? It is 2 plus 7, 9, plus 5, 14 as such, right? It is 1 here, 2 plus 3, 5, right? So here as such here. Similarly, we will try to find the value of y m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So put m is equal to m minus 1 by 2 here, right? A dot as such, right? X the power m minus x the power minus 1 by 2, because m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, a dot as such here, right? Minus 1 by 2 we are putting, right? If you try to solve this one in this way, x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 x to the power half, a simple mathematics is here. So please try to solve this one, right? So now y is equal to what? Y is equal to y, m plus 1 plus y, m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if you add up these two equations, right? These two equations, y m is equal to 1 and y m is equal to minus 1 by 2. If you add these two equations, we can add them and find the value of y. So in this way, we can find the value of y, right? Now we have discussed method, right? Any type of differential equation can be given. If it is single point, so same method we will be adopting. Like first of all, y value of y we know, then we will try to find the value of dy by dx. If differential equation is there, we will try to find the value of d square y by dx square. Put up these values, then compare the minimum power, that x to the power m, because x to the power m is the minimum power, right? So we have compared the values, right? Then first of all x to the power m, then x to the power m plus 1, then x to the power m plus 2, and so on, right? So with the help of this, we will try to find the value of a1, a2, right? A0 we are not finding, right? As such we are writing, right? So now try to put on the values a0 x to the power m, right? A1 we will try to put, right? A2 we will try to put, and then whatever we will do, we will be getting is solution of this question, right? This type of question we are getting, right? Then put m is, because two solutions are there, 1 and minus 1 by 2. So same thing we are writing. So y m plus m is equal to 1 first of all, then m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So same thing we will putting here, and the solution will be y is equal to y m is equal to 1, then plus y m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So in this way, we will be finding the solution. Thank you.